Hello and welcome to Toofless Tesla. Today we are visiting another free EV charger. This one is in Won Chuk Hang in the south side of Hong Kong Island. The EV chargers are located at 41 Heung Road. This is a modern 37-story commercial building that for some reason has no name apart from 41 Heung Road. Now, this building was opened about 5 years ago in 2016, and I discovered that it has 6 free EV chargers. Since I was going out for dinner in the area, I decided to park and charge my Tesla here. The parking fee is $22 per hour, and you have to drive up to the second floor for charging. This car park, like many car parks in Hong Kong, is rather convoluted. Fortunately, most car parks accept Octopus cards, so we no longer need to pick up paper tickets and then go and pay at separate kiosks. This was a Sunday evening during the summer, but as you can see, not many cars were parked here. The 6 free EV chargers are to the right side in the green zone. There are in fact 3 Tesla destination chargers and another 3 level 2 fast chargers. One of the reasons why I want to share information about different chargers in Hong Kong is because the Tesla supercharger network here is usually fully occupied, since we now easily have over 12,000 Teslas in Hong Kong. About 2 years ago, I predicted there would be problems with the use of superchargers in Hong Kong. I will put the link of that video in the description below. Here are the charging statistics. So at 41 Heung Road, we charged for 1 hour and 42 minutes and gained 89 kilometers. The parking fee was for 2 hours, which cost $44. Therefore, the average cost for these 89 kilometers is 49 cents per kilometer. This is much cheaper than the free EV charger at the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Park, which was twice as much at $1 per kilometer. I will leave the link to that video in the description below too. Just for comparison, I will give you the supercharging costs. So if you don't have free supercharging, then the cost at a supercharger will be 83 cents per kilometer, and this does not include the parking fee. So when I mention free EV chargers, what I mean to say is that there are no charging fees for the use of these public EV chargers in Hong Kong. However, depending on the location of these free EV chargers, you may need to pay a parking fee, which obviously varies from place to place. I hope you find these videos useful. Thanks for watching and stay safe.